Called for a leak in a bathroom, and show you this has been done once before. At 11.7 down here, it's at 12.5%. Now, here you go. This is the stuff you don't do. This should have been done and replaced properly, but because that is definitely not right. Cloth to clean up my pipe. Do the same thing here. And then, okay. So there's the fittings. I've got them pressed in there really good. Checked everything already. Water's on, no leaks. So we'll call this one good.